Hi guys, in this video we'll go over some questions in your chapter 7 quiz, so the part on the consumer, producer, and total surplus. So consider the market for computers. The current price for Dell computer is $1,200. Two consumers, Jeff and Peter, are willing to pay. It's missing the word pay over here. It's probably got cut off. $1,500 and $1,400 for a new computer. Two electronic stores are willing to sell the Dell computers for as little as $1,200 and $1,100 each. What is the total surplus in the market? Now, the question will be asking in three ways. So first, it might be asking for what is the consumer surplus, what's the producer surplus, and what's the total surplus. All right, so to find consumer surplus, what you need to do is to take your each consumer's WTP, subtract the price that actually pay for the computer. That's your consumer surplus. So if you take Jeff and Peter, so Jeff is willing to pay $1,500. Peter is willing to pay $1,400. And then the actual computer is $1,200 for each person. Then the consumer surplus for Jeff will be $300. The consumer surplus for Peter will be $200, and then together this will be $500 of consumer surplus. Now to find the producer surplus, you need to take your price of each computer minus each producer's willingness to sell, or the minimum price they're willing to sell. Let's call this one WTS. By the way, in your textbook, WTS is just called a cost, or the cost of transaction. Okay, so let's call this store 1 and store 2. So store 1, the price for the computer is $1,200, and then the WTS or the cost is $1,200. So it looks like for the first store there's no profit involved, and for the second store it's still $1,200 price, but the new WTS is $1,100. So there is $100 of producer surplus. So your total surplus, just take your consumer surplus plus producer surplus. They'll give you $600 of total surplus. Okay. All right. So that's how to do this type of question. So don't think too much of it. Just simple subtraction and addition. So have any more questions, let me know. Okay. All right. See you later. Bye-bye.